What's famous here? This is the most common phrase you would say or hear when you land into a new place or a region or a country. Now, when you're on a trip or I am on a trip, I would like to buy some famous goodies for my loved ones or near ones. Now, what is this famous and how do you protect this famous so that it becomes an identification to that location? Hi, I'm Falguni from InnovaTree, and today we'll discuss about famous, or in law, we call it as geographical indication. Now, the question is, what is this geographical indication? It means an indication which identifies goods as originating or manufactured in the territory of a country or a region or locality in that territory where a given quality or reputation or other characteristics of such goods is essentially attributable or detectable by its geographical origin. In India, it's governed by the Geographical Indications of Goods Act 1999. GI tags have 34 classes of products, and we can broadly categorize them in agricultural goods, natural goods, manufactured goods, handicrafts, or foodstuffs. So in case where such goods are manufactured goods, it is important that one of the activities of either production or processing or preparation of the goods concerned takes place in such territory or region. GI can be indicated through any name, geographical or figurative representation, or any combination of them. Now you may ask me, who can apply for GI? Now, since geographical indication represents a product coming from a particular origin, and it is but obvious that the origin may have multiple persons who would be growing or manufacturing the product, hence GI can be applied by association of persons, producers, or any organization or authority established by law representing the interests of the producers of the concerned goods desirous of registering GI for such goods. So now you may ask, what is the use or benefit of registering GI? There are various advantages of having a GI, which includes it helps to identify the region or origin of goods, proof of quality, reputation, or popularity. GI also safeguards heritage, handicrafts, historical, agricultural, or natural goods. GI prevents unauthorized use of GI tags. It also increases exports and boosts economic growth. GI, on the other hand, also increases tourism of a particular country or city. Now let's jump into the requirements of filing a GI. Now before preparing application for GI, we must have the details about special characteristics of goods or products and how those standards are maintained. We should also specify geographical map of the region to which the GI relates to. Next important thing is to detail the inspection structure, if any, to regulate the use of GI in the territory to which it relates. Lastly, we need to have the details of all the applicants with their addresses. Now, with respect to the process of GI prosecution, let us follow this flowchart. First of all, the filing process. Applications for GI should be filed with the details discussed in our earlier slide in Chennai office. The application can be either in a single class or multiple class. Application is then scrutinized by examiner to ascertain the application meets the requirements of the Act and also examines if the application is deceptive or if there are any likelihoods of confusion. If the examiner is satisfied, he shall publish the application in journal or else object the application. Once the examiner objects the application, applicant shall reply to the objection within 2 months or request for hearing. Based on the reply or hearing, examiner may refuse the application or accept and publish it in GI journal. Once the application is published, it is open for journal public and anyone can object within 4 months. If there is no such objection, the application shall be registered under GI registry. In case there is an objection, there shall be opportunity to be heard, and in case applicant is not satisfied with the examiner's decision, he may reach the court. Once GI is registered, the office publishes Part A, that includes particulars of GI, and Part B, that includes authorized users, and issues the certificate. Once GI is registered, it should be renewed every 10 years. Now coming to the offences and penalties under the Act, which includes the following offences such as falsifying, applying GIs, using GI or descriptively similar GIs without the consent of the owner, falsifying authentic GIs by altering or modifying or changing it, incorrectly applying geographical indications, using GI or making minor changes without permission from authorized user, using package that is similar or same as geographical indication, and packing other product with that GI product, selling of goods with fake or false geographical indication. Now coming to the monetary compensations, it includes starting from 50,000 to up to 2 lakhs, and imprisonment starting from 6 months up to 2 years, up to 3 years. Now coming to the enforcement. If an applicant or association identifies any infringement of GI, he may approach to the police with the rank of Deputy Superintendent and above with the evidence. Officer may then take advice from registrar and then can seize the product. For civil and criminal penalty against the infringer, he may approach to Metropolitan Magistrate or Judicial Magistrate and can get the remedy of injunction, damages, or delivery of property. Now let's talk about some facts and figures. So in India, total of 1016 applications has been filed, yet out of which 878 comes from India itself and rest from other countries such as Spain, which has filed 28 applications, Italy 26, France 35, and so on and so forth. Out of 1016 applications, 421 are already registered, 53 are refused, 27 applications are withdrawn, while rests are under process of examination. Interestingly, 399 applications belong in the category of handicrafts, 295 in agriculture, 97 applications relates to foodstuffs, 73 in manufacturing goods, 66 comes under the category of alcoholic beverages, 66 from textiles, and rest in natural goods and horticulture. If we see state-wise applications, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, and Maharashtra are top three states to file applications with total of 94, 92, and 82 applications respectively, while states like West Bengal, Assam, Karnataka, Kerala, MP, Orissa, Gujarat, Rajasthan, and Uttarakhand have applied more than 30 applications. Now, the most important and interesting figure is filing trend. If we see, it started in 2003 with 4 applications. Since then, it has been rising with a total of 207 applications filed this year itself, which represents that now people have started appreciating the importance of geographical indication by protecting the GIs. With this, we would like to thank you for listening to us, and we are available on the details provided here if you have any concerns, issues, or doubts.